How to use the manual focus. The focusing is here. Autofocus, manual focus, now it's available. Sometimes it's not available, and how to adjust it, because this and that is not usable. The wheels are not usable with manual focus, unfortunately. You have to tap and hold on that one, and then you can put it there or there. So now it's focusing close. Everything went a little bit blurry. Oops, no, that's the zoom. So you have to tap and hold the lower one, that one. Tap and hold that one, and on the bottom is also autofocus. Oops. Tap and hold again. So on the bottom it's also autofocus. Notice the image got clearer. Oops, again. So that's far away, and that is close. Don't bring it totally down, because it will go again to autofocus, and it disappeared once again. So zoom far away and zoom close. If you bring it totally down, it's autofocus again. Now it's showing mountain, autofocus and mountain. It's not showing autofocus and manual focus as before. Tap and hold. If you set it to manual focus, that is not acting as manual focus, it's acting as zoom. The other is moving the camera up and down the wheel. Tap on the image, it's not automatically focusing. Tap on that icon, and now it is focusing.